What if everything you know is wrong?
Okay, so let's be real. AI is completely changing the game for our careers, right? And you're probably asking yourself, what does this mean for my job, for all the skills I've worked so hard to build? Well, the answer might surprise you. It's actually a lot more hopeful than what you're seeing in the headlines.
So, first things first, let's just take a second to talk about this shockwave we're all feeling. This isn't just hype, you know? The data is showing a huge fundamental change in the job market. And it really all comes down to one single, pretty dramatic number.
Yeah, 411%. I mean, that is a staggering jump in job postings that are asking for generative AI skills. And that's just since 2019, according to a Cornerstone report. Look, this isn't some passing trend. This is a seismic shift in what companies are actually looking for.
And we're not talking about small potatoes here. This is a massive economic transformation. But, and this is a big but, the super fast rollout of AI is creating a really serious problem. It's what people are calling the skills gap. And this right here, this definition really hits on that core anxiety that so many of us are feeling. You know, as AI gets smarter and more powerful, the huge question on everyone's mind is, are my skills becoming obsolete?
Okay, but this is where the story gets really interesting. And honestly, a little weird. It goes against everything you'd expect. Right when the demand for all these technical skills is going through the roof, something else is happening that just completely blows up all those "the robots are coming for our jobs" headlines.
Yeah, you heard that right. The exact same report that was talking about that huge explosion in AI skills, it also found that our most human abilities, things like leadership, creativity, problem solving, they're not just hanging on, they're actually becoming more important than ever.
In this chart, this really shows you the central paradox of this whole AI era we're in. Of course, technical AI skills are in super high demand, you can see that. But look, it's the human-centric skills, things like communication, teamwork, critical thinking, that are consistently at the very top of the list of what businesses say they need the most.
So, here's the big takeaway. The whole story is changing. We've got to stop thinking in terms of us versus the machine. The real game, the real future of how we work, is us with the machine.
All right, so what does this actually mean for you, for your career? It means you need to start building a kind of two-sided skill set. It's not about choosing sides, technical or human. It's about becoming a master of both.
Here's a good way to think about it. AI is an absolute genius at the how. It can crunch insane amounts of data, spot patterns we'd never see, and just execute tasks at a speed that's, well, it's not human. But we're the ones who provide the why. We bring the context, we set the strategy, we have that creative spark, and maybe most importantly, we have the ethical judgment that an AI just doesn't possess.
So these skills right here, these are the things that make you irreplaceable. Think about it. AI can write code, sure. But can it collaborate with a team to solve a brand new complex problem? Nope. It can analyze a spreadsheet, but it can't use emotional intelligence to lead a team through a really tough time. This is where you have the edge.
And then, on the flip side, you really do need to get comfortable with these core technical areas. Now, this doesn't mean you have to go out and become a PhD in machine learning tomorrow. It's more about being fluent enough to guide the AI, to leverage it as the powerful tool that it is. Just understanding how to write a good prompt or what it means to clean up a dataset, that's what turns AI from this scary black box into like your most trusted co-pilot.
Okay, so having this new hybrid skill set, it also means we need a totally different kind of leadership. The old school ways of managing people are just, they're not going to cut it anymore. Not in a world where your most productive team member might actually be an algorithm.
You know that old top-down command and control style where the boss is supposed to have all the answers? That's just falling flat now. The best leaders today, they don't command people, they give them context. They set up the guardrails, they ask the really smart questions, and they empower their teams to use AI to figure out the answers.
McKinsey actually broke this down really well. They say leadership in this new era comes down to 3 core things that, frankly, only a human can do. First, setting a big, ambitious vision. Second, making those hard judgment calls that line up with your values. And third, creating an environment where real game-changing breakthroughs can happen. And AI can't dream up a moonshot.
I love this quote because it really gets at the new premium on what's called systems thinking. It's becoming less about being the charismatic person who can work the room, and way more about being the person who can see the whole system, how all the pieces, the people, the processes, the tech, how it all fits together to create something bigger. AI can't see the forest for the trees, but a great leader can.
All right, so let's pull all of this together. What's the one thing, the one clear, actionable idea you can walk away with to help you navigate your own career in this, let's face it, pretty crazy landscape?
This right here, this is the absolute heart of it. You're just not going to win by trying to be a faster calculator or a better data processor than a machine. It's a losing battle. Your biggest professional advantage, your greatest asset in this age of incredible technology is, paradoxically, your own humanity.
So, I want to leave you with one final thought to chew on. In a world that is just drowning in endless AI-generated answers, who's going to be there to ask the right questions? That might just be the most valuable and the most human skill of all.
Understanding begins with why.